Here we need to evaluate -4 times -6. So to do that, what I need to remember is that anytime I have like signs, or a negative and a negative, I'm going to obtain a positive answer. So what that means is that I can rule out A and B here as possible answers to this question. Now, in order to explain how the multiplication is going to work here, let's just consider 4 times 6. 4 times 6 would mean we'd have 4 groups of 6. In other words, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. And if we add those together, we get 6 plus 6 is 12. That's these two. We grab these two, we get 12. And 12 plus 12 is 24. So when we're looking at -4 times -6, 4 times 6 is 24. The two negatives give me a positive answer, so I have a positive 24.